Hello and hi friends, my name is Suresh Chauhan and you are watching my channel Tech. Today in this video we're gonna discuss about a common problem when you open or
my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
backslash EFI backslash Microsoft backslash boot backslash, then you have to press enter. Afterward you have to type cd /d space v colon backslash EFI backslash, then Microsoft, then backslash boot backslash, then you have to press enter. Now you have to type BootRec space / Fix Boot, then you have to press enter. Then you have to type bcd boot space colon c colon backslash Windows space / L space en dash us / s space v colon space / f, then space all, then you have to press enter. After that you have to simply type exit, then you have to press enter. This command will easily fix your problem of BootRec's fix boot access is denied. This will easily fix by this method. Hope this method will work with you. If you like this video, then give a thumbnail to this video and even do subscribe my channel for more further videos like this, so it will also support me. Thank you friends. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.